Welcome to Shin Gallery. I'm Shin. I'm a collector and gallerist based in the Lower East Side, Manhattan. I opened up the gallery 13 years ago. I was still in college studying art conservation. Now, we've been showing more than 100 artists from all different countries. For me, creating new dialogue or interesting conversation with their works, I think that really makes me so fulfilled and keep me going. Creating an exhibition is like a storytelling. Each room is pretty much like different chapters. Here, we're at the first space where I opened in 2013. I redesigned everything. All the corners are rounded. And then skylight is what I wanted because I want people to see the real color of artworks very vividly. Right now, here we are having an exhibition with Chungs of Bloom. While he's taking a walk by the river, he picks up a found object, and his story gave me an idea. Oh, it will be very interesting to show his artworks to the eye level where he first discovered all these objects. It's very important for me delivering this artist's unique sensibility through the exhibition. This space, I wanted to have high ceiling. It's almost like walking into a chapel. I believe that art is like a religion, but without dogma. This is the lower gallery, where I show young emerging artists. Also, this is the place where I used to live. Living in the basement wasn't easy, but I still enjoy it so much because I was so excited to show and work with artists. I've shown you where I used to live and my gallery. Let me show you where I live now. Welcome to my home. I live in a one-bedroom apartment, so I have artworks floor to ceiling, from modern masters to contemporary. So this is really my life and probably how I think, how I see the world. This is my salon. I'm very selective with furniture. These chairs are from 1930s. I mean, this beautiful lacquer finish, and this is a mid-century Danish table. And these candelabras are Viennese succession. My place, it's not defined to one region or one period. It's all mixed. Let me tell you about a few of my personal collections. I want to talk about this beautiful sculpture by Marisol Escobar, and this is a portrait of de Kooning. Every time I see his eyes, it's quite emotional. So this portrait is quite special. This is done by Joshua Johnson, who was formerly enslaved artist and the first known African-American painter. This painting is by Frank Robbins. The way he depicts people's facial emotion, it's almost grotesque. They're so expressive, which I really love. Me as a gallerist, I feel that it's a big responsibility to rediscover all these overlooked artists because even though they were so talented, they never had a chance to show. So this chess set is very special to me. This is by Man Ray. I do believe that this chess set always brings interesting people to my place. This sculpture is made by Joseph Beuys. He put 2 blocks of earth on breadboard, and this vitrine separates between the salon and the kitchen. My kitchen is really small, but I love hosting dinners. Sometimes I cook Hungarian goulash and invite artists, all host artist potluck. We are right now in my bedroom. This piece is by Frank Stella. When I look at this piece, it's different because it has such a dimensionality. This is my bed. As you can see, I don't have a bed frame. I've been looking for one, but I still couldn't find one that I like. Right next to it, there is a funerary vase from Hellenistic period. And this is my only antiquity piece that I have in my collection. And then right next to it, I have a sculpture by Chris Burden. The artist picked this shelf while he was taking a walk, and every day he picked something and glued and made these beautiful sculptures. I think art comes first before my life. So yes, before I got this, I had much more space, but as you see, I barely have a space to sleep. As you've seen, art is my life, passion, and I love sharing it. Thank you for visiting my house and gallery.
Well, that was so much fun, but the fun doesn't have to end here. Like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for the best open house has to offer.